Learn how to draw a perfect cube in 2-point perspective in 1 minute. Draw a horizon line. Draw a square with a diagonal line through the corners of the square. Rotate the square so it crosses the horizon line. Where the edges of the square cross the horizon line are the left and right vanishing points. Where the diagonal line crosses the horizon line is the horizontal 45-degree diagonal vanishing point. Draw one edge of the cube. Connect the edge to a vanishing point. Draw a line from one end to the 45-degree diagonal vanishing point. Where these two lines cross is the corner of our perfect square. Connect the lines. Draw the vertical lines for the cube. Draw a vertical from the left vanishing point the same length as the left side of this triangle, or draw a vertical line from the right vanishing point the same length as the right side of this triangle. The end of these two lines are our 45-degree vertical diagonal vanishing points. Draw a line from either vertical diagonal vanishing point to a corner of the square. Where these two lines meet is the top corner of our vertical square. Connect the lines and bam! You've just drawn a perfect cube in 2-point perspective. Now the cube looks distorted because the vanishing points are too close, but just draw a much smaller cube than I did and you should be fine. That's it, that's all. This is John Lee. Please click like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.